Hi, this is Neil here from the Dirt Floor Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about the fabulous C90, the most popular motorcycle ever. Probably more than 30 million of these made. Oh, not the C90, the C50 and the C70 if you include them, but the most popular motorcycle ever made. Anyway, this one's got a little bit of a problem. Somebody's put some automotive oil with friction modifiers in it, and you can't do that on a motorcycle these days because the clutch slips on them because it's got a wet plate clutch and they slip. So when you try and kick start it, nothing. Same as when you push start it. The back wheel's connected to the gearbox via the clutch and the motor, so if the clutch is not working you can't start it. So if you run along and put it into gear, the back wheel will turn, but it won't go. Well, most of the time anyway. You get the idea. Thanks for watching. Bye.